Hi dearest, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel for those who already subscribed to this channel and those who are just entering, you are most welcome. I do hope that at the end of this video you would decide to become a subscriber by clicking the subscribe button and then clicking the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. And for those who are already subscribers, I would like to use this opportunity to thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and for your comments, your love, your share, your care, and all that you do for my channel. Thank you so much. And my members, I give you a big shout out and a hug from me to you. Please receive it. So I have been getting a lot of requests from a lot of you asking where you could get stiffener for molding hats. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own stiffener with items you can get easily at home. I'm also going to be taking you through some way on how you can go into your market wherever your location is and locate a form of top bond. I would also be dropping links where you could purchase some depending on your location in the description of this video. So you want to go to the description after this video if you're not interested in making your own stiffener. If you would want to get a ready-made one, you could check the link in the description below. Okay, so I'm just looking at my top bond glue now, the container, and I'm trying to search for where they have the components but it's not written. This actual top bond is the brand and it's written General Purpose White Glue, and it says the uses are good bond for furniture, domestic applications, bookbinding, decorative, lamination, chipboards, and hardboards. Now I know here in my country where you see top bond mainly is where you see what do you call it, where they sell things for building materials. Yes, building materials market, you see the top bond there, and I know carpenters make use of it as well. So you want to go check out your stores where they sell things for building and look for the glues that are there. Check for the General Purpose White Glue. Of course, it won't be called Top Bond. The name would definitely be different because Top Bond, as I said, is a brand here in Nigeria. And we do have other bonds as well, as in different make, but I prefer Top Bond, the brand. So what you do is you just search for the bonds that carpenters use and furniture makers use where they sell building materials in your country, and get the white glue. And then you use it. Just get a small pack first of all so that you don't waste money, and because probably they would have different brands as well, so you can get just like 2 brands, and then you test it. You do like you have seen me use with Top Bond in the videos where I what do you call it, I mold fascinators. So you can follow that same process, and then to let me know in the comment section below which glue finally worked for you and which country, so that people that come to this video later on, when they scroll to the comments, they can probably see the one to use if they are in your country and you'll be helping someone out. So I would like to say thank you on their behalf in advance. Now the top bond, remember I use that mainly when I'm making use of a padded, some people call it wording, some people call it interfacing, is the thickest, softest interfacing, that's what I call it. Some do use it to make light duvets. Use of the stiffener, we just call it stiffener here. It has no name on it, it's just in a bottle, so I think it's been locally manufactured here. And that one I make use of when I'm molding hats that I use materials such as princess mat, paper mat, straw, and mostly cinnamon. So this one has no name on it. So I'm going to be showing you how to make yours locally. I'm going to be telling you, it's going to be kind of pictorial. So just watch, do it, and let's know in the comment section below how it came out. So keep watching and learning. Okay, so number one on the chart is cornstarch. Now, cornstarch is something almost everyone has in their kitchen and something that can be used to make a stiffener. Now, how are we going to make it? What you need is 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Then you fill a bowl with 1/4 cup of cold water and keep another bowl of 1/4 cup of boiling water. Mix the cornstarch with cold water slowly. After a solution is formed, start adding it to the boiling hot water. You should be left with a thick consistency in the bowl. Then you can put in the material you want to stiffen inside the solution. Be sure to wash it with warm water and soap after it has stiffened, so there is no residue of cornstarch solution on the material. Now, the second one you can make use of is flour. Yes. So what you do is you take 1 tablespoon of flour and you add half cup of cold water in a bowl, similar to the cornstarch method. Then you keep another bowl of half a cup of boiling water ready. Mix the flour and the cold water to form a creamy consistency. Then slowly add it to the boiling hot water. Mix it again till the thickness is gravy-like. Let it cool down to room temperature before using it for stiffening your fabric. For the flour, it's not gonna last like the cornstarch would. It won't last too long. So if you want something permanent, I would say you go for the cornstarch. But of course, if you can't find cornstarch, then you can go for the flour. Okay, then how many of you have rice in the house? Yes, your regular eating rice. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a bowl full of rice and start boiling it in water, like how you cook your rice. Then let it boil for a while till some of the starch has been extracted from the rice. Separate the rice and the rice water. Don't let the consistency be too thick or it will lose its stiffening ability. Let the water cool down enough to be able to use it for stiffening, but don't let it cool down to room temperature or it may lose its value. And make sure to dip the fabric in the stiffening water and let it dry in the sun afterwards for best results. So do let me get your feedbacks in the comment section. Which one have you tried? Whenever you try anyone, just come back to this video and give us your feedback. Tell us how it went. Did it stiffen well? I hope this video was able to assist someone to be able to start molding hats from today onwards. And I look forward to hearing your feedbacks. And if you did enjoy this video and gain value from this video, please do click the thumbs up button, the like button, share this video, and also subscribe if you haven't. And click the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. Probably an update to this one, and then check out this next tip.